This 2023 CrossRoads Volante VL240RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. This new CrossRoads is 27 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Steely Grey interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, DVD player, water heater, Colorado detector, spare tire kick, stove top burner, LP detector, Skylight, auxiliary battery, Slideout, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Volante VL240RL is 6,977 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Dakota RV, visit RVUSA.com.